in the floor.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Today we're in the wife's sewing room and I wanted to show you a pocket operator. This is just magic. It looks like a calculator, but actually what it is a musical instrument. And they're really quite cool. I can't help but show you it. They come just sort of, like a bare naked PCB. You shove a couple of batteries in it. The batteries last for a very long time. And it's got a little stand on the back of it so you can stand it up. You've got a couple of little encoders on here, like potentiometers, and then lots and lots of little push buttons on it. And what it is it's a musical instrument. Well, it's a sampler and sequencer. So it's got 16 built-in drum tracks. It's got the ability to be able to record stuff. It's got a microphone on it. It's got a line input on it, and it's got a line output on it, which you can plug into your headphones. The other amazing thing, it has a built-in speaker. So, as I said, the thing with this is it comes naked. So in order to fix that, what I've done is I have printed a 3D printed a plastic casing for it. But for the purpose of this, I think what I'll do is I'll show you it without the plastic casing on, because it looks a lot more interesting, and also it's got a little bit more detail about what the buttons do on the front of it as well. Because this is literally, there's nothing written on this 3D printed thing at all. So I'll just pop that out of the way. Cha-ching! Obviously here what I've got is the little Sony recorder, which you can hear. Behind the Sony recorder is the wooden, wonderful amplified speaker system, which has, I think, 16 650s in it. Let's plug in the pocket operator. This model is the PO-35. There's a whole range of different pocket operator models out there. And let's plug it in and see what kind of noises we can get out of it. I've done a little bit of pre-programming, to be fair. Oops, just turn the volume up. And you can select different sounds. Dubious Engineering. Oh, look at that. That one said Dubious Engineering. That was quite cool. I like that sound. So we can adjust the volume by hitting BPM and then one of the number buttons here. There's an array of 16 different buttons here. And those 16 buttons are you can use to associate with different sounds. You can also associate different patterns with these buttons as well. And then you can throw sound effects at them and various other things. Let's listen to this one. Oh yeah, that's a good sound. I like that. So now we've selected that sound, we can hit that sound in a variety of different pitches here. We can also use these encoders to modify that sound as well. And then on top of that, we can use these encoders, if we press this button here, to trim that so it starts in a different place. Then we've got patterns in here, so the sounds, so we can go through a few more sounds.
Oh yeah. Bananas. Morty suspicion. Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick.
Yeah, Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu.
Yeah, and the wife saying Pikachu. So as you can hear, there's also drum beats on this as well, drum sounds that are preloaded into this channel 16 here, and you can create then patterns. So here's an example of a pattern that I created earlier.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
You can make all sorts of mad noises with it. So why don't I just go ahead and sort of show you something.
Get down, you wanna get funky.